This is my third built home that I've had built in my life, and this by far was the easiest one I've ever done. Hello, my name's Jerry, and I live at Delmar Lakes North. I wanted to make sure that I got what I wanted because I figured at this point in my life, this is where I'm going to stay. I had a great sales manager that kept me informed, which really impressed me with the way that Tabor let you know what was going on with your house as it progressed through the construction stage. There's no guesswork. You didn't have to worry or wonder about something because Tabor had everything covered. There are two things I really enjoy. The fireplace, outdoor fireplace on the patio. I think I've been out there when it was like 35 degrees and built a fire just so I could enjoy it out there. And I love the shower in the master bathroom. It's my favorite thing in the whole house. I knew it would be good because I've talked to people that owned Tabor houses, but I was impressed with the fit and finish. I've dealt with houses in my career that I was in. I dealt with real estate and houses for 36 years. I've seen hundreds of houses, inspected houses, and I've looked at houses that just everybody probably in Oklahoma City has built. And I like the fact that I moved into a Tabor house and I didn't have to go hunt down a guy for the fence. I didn't have to hunt down a guy to do the sprinkler system. The storm shelter was already there. When someone mentions turnkey, this was a turnkey house because there was nothing else I had to do to it. It was awesome.